This is the original one that used to be on the car. Pay attention and have a look how grimy, how dirty, how rusty some areas they are. And after working out and fixing the other one, check it out. You see? Painted, clean, fresh. You can see the difference in between. Welcome everyone. I know it's been a minute, but I've been busy in the behind the scenes. We did fix a few things. As you can see, the crash bar rubber foam thingy is here. Those light fixtures, I painted them and installed them, so I got those sorted out. The rust over here, I managed to fix it, and the fix was beautiful. It's far much better than I expected. Let me show you what I used. If I still have some left. I don't know, it's gotta be somewhere here. Steel stick. Yep. This thing worked like a charm. So the putty inside, it's two components. You get it out, wear gloves, mix it up, and you have 3 minutes, roughly 3 minutes before it starts hardening. And once it hardens, like within 1 hour of applying it, it's stronger than steel. Legitimately, it can handle shitload of pressure, shitload of heat and everything. So dare I say, it's far much better than actual metal. JB Weld. They've done it again. I gotta give it to them. So yeah, but before I did that, I cut the rusted parts that I didn't need. I sprayed rust converter, Rust-Oleum. I do have it over there. And this is now perfect. Now granted, if you can see over here, you still can see some pits or something. This is from the rust, but it's treated. Now don't worry about it. It is treated. And once we reach the bodywork phase, this all should be sorted out. Inside, what did we do inside? Well, as you can clearly see, I applied basically sound deadening to this and the roof. Not bad, huh? Not only that, oops, sorry. This is the back. There was a couple rust spots, surface rust. I cleaned them and applied some primer, and after that I sprayed this. Now, you might ask, what is this? Is this paint? The answer is no, it's not paint. This allegedly is truck and bed pro grade, whatever. It's like bed liner. Okay, to put it simply, it's like bed liner. And check how the line, this is a long one. And the nozzle is amazing. Literally, it's perfect. It gives spread. So this is not the perfect bed liner because it's not like, what do you call it, Raptor, the brand. But for stuff like this, hidden inside, I'd say it works perfect. Not only I'm gonna use it there, I'm gonna use it here on the inside. Once I start working on this side, and this side, once I clean and paint and pretty much clean everything, because there's a shitload of gunk over here that needs to be cleaned up. But the plan is I'll use this one to get it sorted. On a separate note, we did remove this one, and you can clearly see there is something cut in here. Why? Let me show you why. So this is the piece that I cut. This is it. Now, originally, this one does not have a dome light near the backup mirror, aka dome light or map light. This is from a Honda CR-V. So I put it over here, got the template done, I marked the lines, cut it, and the template is over there. And this is exactly the center, exactly what I wanted. And in theory, you click, and it works. Wiring wise, it's not the same wiring. So what I did basically the original dawn light that I had, which is supposed to be here, I used the clips from it. Now, see, this is the dawn light. This is where basically it hooks up. And this goes all the way down. Now, from over here, you can clearly see I've done something. I've tapped into it and I've extended a line, and this wire will connect to the map light, the new map light that we now have. And this will make our car unique. So this template, I kept it handy just so that I know where to cut. Once we remove that, we can just lay it on a surface like this, cut it, install it, then hook it up. That's the plan, or at least. Now, I know I haven't even started with the engine yet. Let me just be clear here. It's not an easy job, but we will do it. I'm working in a methodical, yet all over the place kind of approach. So it's not necessary within some order. It's going to be a mess. It's going to be start here, then stop, then start there. That's technically how we're doing it. Why? This is all what I can do. Over here, the glass. There is no tent to it. There's no tent to this one. I don't care about this door. This door is going to be replaced. I'm not replacing this one. Since I'm replacing the door, I'm taking this door. It's already tented. This piece is also tented, which means I need to tent that one. I bought some tenting, dark one, hopefully it fits. The plan is simple. Before I install any panels in the inside, see how easy it is to actually wrap it. It doesn't have to be 100% perfect. All what I need to do is just cut, eyeballing it, and slap the glass over here, and Bob is your uncle. Well, you gotta quit at one point, especially if you know you're doing a shitty job. I managed to do this side, and it's not perfect. Yep, I've got some air bubbles. Now, hopefully under the sun this might help, but boy did I struggle. So that's why I've only done this side. I ran out. Honestly, the other side I actually attempted to do it, but what happened is I ruined it. So I tried again and I ruined it again, and I was like, stuff it, let's do something else. So I decided to turn my head into something else. Behold, this is the area that the windshield motor used to be. Now it's dirty, or was dirty. Now, as you can see, it's clean and even spruced up with some paint. So now it looks clean. You can see the difference between this and that. The plan is we need to remove this one, clean it, paint it if needs be, because you can see some corrosion here and this and that. So clean it, prep it, and put it there. Now, I know I already have the original one, bottom line, but this one looks abused. This one looks better. So I figured might as well just start disassembling some parts out of this one. A, it makes me feel good that I'm actually doing some stuff. B, why not? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you remove those bolts, you should be able to remove it. And this is the plug. I unclipped it from here. Now I can't get it out because of the brake booster. So this is a story for another day, but at least I can get this one out. Once I get this one out, the plan is, you see a couple screws over here, you can remove the motor out of this one, and hopefully I'll be able to clean it up. So it should be fairly easy. Once it's done, painted and clean, we can slap it over there. Then that basically leaves us in, I don't know, one step ahead, I suppose. So let's get on with that. And this is how it looks. So we removed all the plastics, and I was wrong. To remove the motor, you've got size 10, 3 of them here at the back of the apparatus. And there is this nut, size 12, basically over here. And once you remove it, you'll be able to remove this one. See? It has a groove that fits only in one spot. You see how it's just cut? And see how the screw looks? Now, technically speaking, this arm is removable. And if I'm going to do this, there you go, the motor is removable. So this is the motor. Plastic-wise, this is the cover, or basically the clip. It just clips on, and that fixes it up. Alright, so it's definitely not those 3 screws. Those 3 screws, I think it's something to do with or 4 screws, to do with the actual wiring of the motor. So let's not play with that. This one needs to be cleaned, and this one needs to be basically sanded, cleaned, painted, hopefully. Not bad. I sprayed it with the silver that we had. Remember when we bought the spray can silver for this one and it was slight shade off? Well, we still got it, so I figured might as well just use it. And boy, it looks good. It does look good. And as for the rubbers, well, there you go. Solution? Well, use a hot water. Just put hot water and soap, and with a used toothbrush, you can clean it. They're all basically clean. The rest is just like dust and all. It doesn't go, but it's technically moldable, and that's the good thing. And this is the motor. Again, we're not gonna clean it more than what we just did now, simply because it has electrical wiring and all. Ideally, I would like to get electric contact cleaner. Spray, and you just spray it and that basically clean it up, but this is as good as it gets basically. The rest is basically there. All what I need to do is just wait until this one dries, then I'll assemble it back again and we will have a good washer motor assembly. The one that I have is there. That's the old one that came out of it. So now you can clearly tell this versus that. Huge difference. And once we put it over here with the painted surface, boy, it's gonna look good. Not bad. So I'm just gonna wait until it dries and then assemble. So it's basically the reverse order of the assemble. This is the original one that used to be on the car. Pay attention and have a look how grimy, how dirty, how rusty some areas they are. And after working out and fixing the other one, check it out. You see? Painted, clean, fresh. You can see the difference in between. Not bad, huh? Let's just put them next to each other, just so that you can see what I'm talking about. You see how dirty? Ugh. But this one, promising. And see, good thing that we went with this one, because this one has a cleaner cover for the engine, or for the motor, dare I say. Look how rusty this one is, and has just grimy and all, whilst the other one is way much cleaner. So even paint or paint prep, it didn't take me long to get it sorted, and now it's in perfect shape. Let's install it back in over there and see how it's gonna sit. And this is just a comparison. This is the old one, and will you look at that? Perfectly done and properly restored and placed back in a place where it belongs. I'm really happy with the progress. Too tiny of a progress, but really good. So all in all, we barely did anything. And looking at it, not bad at all. Well, this is a tiny video for you guys. If you like what you see, stick around until God knows what's going to happen next episode. Until then, you take care of yourself. Yeah.